My name is Mackenzie Kuntz, and I currently serve as the President of Student Government Association.
Hi, my name is Martha Julman, and I'm the Graduate Student Government President. Being out here with students from various backgrounds and different involvement experiences from different student groups has definitely given us the time to develop our skill set in preparation for the real world.
One word to describe my leadership is definitely impactful.
In one word, I would describe my leadership style as communal, because it's not always about talking and being able to guide the room, but also sitting back and listening.
One word to describe my student leadership is precise insight, because I put others before myself.
If I could describe my leadership style in one word, it would be encouraging.
One word I would describe my leadership is reliability, based on the fact that they can come to me for any advice, any guidance, any errors they want me to make while writing their articles.
So in one word, something to describe my leadership would be empathetic to others.